Let's dive into the energy of selenite. Selenite is known as one of the most powerful cleansing stones in the crystal world. Its energy is light, pure, and steady, clearing stagnant or heavy vibrations from your body, your mind, and your space. This crystal is deeply connected to the crown and third eye chakras, opening the door to higher guidance, intuition, and spiritual clarity. Working with selenite can help quiet mental noise, making meditation feel easier and more natural. Selenite is also a protective ally. It creates a peaceful, shielded atmosphere, helping you feel safe, calm, and energetically supported. One of the most special qualities of selenite is its ability to amplify energy. Any stone placed on or near it is refreshed and recharged, making it an essential tool for intention setting and spiritual practice. Soft yet powerful, selenite reminds us that clarity, peace, and healing are always within reach. Now let's explore the geology of selenite. Selenite is a variety of gypsum, a soft mineral that forms as water slowly evaporates over long periods of time. Millions of years ago, ancient seas and lakes covered large areas of the earth. As those waters gradually receded, they left behind layers of mineral-rich deposits. In calm, undisturbed conditions beneath the surface, gypsum crystals began to grow, slowly and delicately, one layer at a time. Most of the pieces we commonly see sold as selenite are actually a fibrous form of gypsum known as satin spar. This fibrous structure is what gives selenite its signature silky sheen and glowing, almost moonlit appearance. Tiny internal fibers run through the crystal, catching and reflecting light. Gypsum can also form in flat, layered crystals that are clear enough to see through entirely. This is what many people refer to as clear or true selenite. While satin spar and clear selenite look different, they are both the same mineral at their core. Both are varieties of gypsum, which is why the trade name selenite is used for both forms. On the Mohs hardness scale, selenite ranks very low at a 2. This softness makes it easy to shape and polish, allowing artisans to carve it into towers, bowls, plates, and more, while still preserving its natural striations and growth lines. Its softness is why selenite must be handled with care and kept away from water. Selenite is found in many regions around the world, including Mexico, Morocco, Australia, and the United States. Each location produces slightly different textures and tones, ranging from bright white to warm ivory and soft peach hues. Peach selenite forms when gypsum contains natural mineral inclusions such as iron, giving it its gentle earthy coloring. Desert rose selenite forms in sandy, arid environments when gypsum crystals grow alongside grains of sand, creating their signature rosette shapes. There are also more unusual formations, like fishtail selenite, which forms when gypsum crystals grow in a twin pattern, creating a distinct V or fishtail shape rather than straight fibers. Under the right conditions, selenite can grow to truly massive sizes. Some of the largest crystals ever discovered are found in crystal caves where gypsum crystals have grown for hundreds of thousands of years in stable mineral-rich water. In places like the Naka mine in Mexico, selenite crystals have reached lengths of over 30 feet, making them some of the largest natural crystals on Earth. Now let's get into how to use selenite. One of the simplest ways to use selenite is a consistent energetic cleanser. Placing a selenite tower, bowl, or slab in a room can help maintain a clear, calm atmosphere without needing constant ritual or intention. Selenite is also commonly used to support crystals. Placing other stones on or near selenite refreshes their energy and makes it a natural choice for crystal shelves, altars, or jewelry dishes. It both cleanses and charges stones. Selenite can also be worked with during meditation or reflection. Holding a piece, placing it nearby, or using a wand can help quiet mental noise and bring back your focus to the center. Many people like to work with selenite when journaling, setting intentions, or resetting after emotionally heavy days. Wearing selenite allows you to keep its calming, clarifying energy close throughout the day. Selenite is most commonly worn as pendants or bracelets, where its energy can stay within your personal space. As a stone connected to clarity and higher awareness, many people like wearing selenite near the heart or throat to support calm communication, emotional balance, and mental focus. Selenite can also be used intentionally in the home. Keeping it near entryways, windows, or bedside tables is thought to help support a peaceful, protected environment, especially in spaces where you rest or reset. Because selenite is soft and water sensitive, it's best cared for gently. Avoid water cleansing and instead cleanse it through sound, smoke, or moonlight. Selenite is a crystal that reminds us that clarity and peace can be woven into daily life. What crystal would you like to hear about next?